Welcome to our class. Today we will see about the topic is pre-math concepts for first class students. Our first concept is big and small. We have two objects, an apple and cherry. Which one is big and which one is small? Yes, an apple is big and cherry is small. You can see an ant and elephant. Which one is big and which one is small? Yes, an ant is small and an elephant is big. Let's find out which one is big and which one is small. Yes, the teapot is big and the teacup is small its size. The next concept is tall and short. You can see father and daughter. Yes, the father is tall and the girl is short. You can see a plant and tree. A plant is short and the tree is tall. Find out which one is tall and which one is short. The giraffe is tall and the monkey is short. Next concept is heavy and light. We have two objects, feather and bus. The feather is light and the bus is heavier. We have two fruits, pineapple and cherry. The pineapple is heavier than cherry. The cherry is light. Find out which one is heavy and which one is light, either elephant or mouse. An elephant is heavier than mouse. The mouse is light. The next concept is full and empty. We have two baskets. The first one is empty. The second one have more apples. The full of apples. We have two glasses. The first one is empty. The second one is filled with milk. It's full. Let's find out which one is full and which one is empty. The first glass is full. The second glass is empty. The next concept is less and more. We have two balloons, it's less, and other a bunch of balloons, it's more. The The first set of 3x eats less and other bunch of x eats more. The first set of banana eats less and other large quantity of banana eats more. The next concept is in and out. We have the ball is inside the box. The second one, the ball is outside the box. The girl is inside the home. The girl is outside the home. This concept is in and out. Let's find out which one is in and which one is out. The first basket is we have an apple is inside the box. The second one, the apple is outside the box. The next concept is long and short. Can you see two pencils? The above pencil is long and the below pencil is short. Here we have two scales. The first one is long and the second one is short. Let's find out which one is long and which one is short. The red comb is long and the blue comb is short. The next concept is thick and thin. We have two candles, red and white. The white candle is thick and the red candle is thin. We have two books. The first one is thick and the second one thin. Let's find out which one is thick and which one is thin. The first pencil is thick and second one is thin.